Welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wondered what the absolute limit of human technology looks like, you are in the exact right place. Today, we are diving deep into a device that is not just changing the way we interact with the digital world, it is completely rewriting the rules of reality itself. Whispers have been echoing out of Cupertino, and the supply chain leaks are painting a picture so vivid, so unbelievably advanced, that it feels like science fiction brought to life. We're talking about the Apple Vision Pro 2 2026. This is not just an incremental upgrade or a slight tweak to last year's model. Apple has been quietly solving the biggest complaints, breaking through hardware barriers, and engineering a spatial computer that will make everything else on the market look like a toy. From a radically redesigned battery architecture to displays so sharp they defy the limitations of the human eye, the blueprint for the next generation of spatial computing is locked in. Grab a seat, make sure you're subscribed, and keep your eyes glued to the screen because every single detail we are about to reveal changes the landscape of technology forever. To truly understand why the Apple Vision Pro 2 2026 is sending shockwaves through Silicon Valley before it even hits the production line, we have to look at the massive gamble Apple took with the first generation. When the original Vision Pro launched, it was universally praised for its jaw-dropping micro-OLED screens and flawless eye tracking. But it was also heavily criticized for being too heavy, slightly cumbersome for long sessions, and locked behind a tethered or awkwardly pocketed battery pack. Apple heard the feedback loud and clear. The engineers went back to the drawing board with one single, obsessive goal: make it disappear. They wanted the hardware to become completely invisible to the user, leaving nothing but the pure, unadulterated experience of spatial computing. And according to the latest internal roadmaps leaked from the R&D labs, they have actually pulled it off. The new iteration is shedding a massive amount of weight, shifting from heavy aluminum and glass composites to aerospace-grade carbon fiber alloys and ultra-lightweight magnesium blends. This isn't just about making it lighter on your face. It is about shifting the center of gravity so perfectly that you can wear it for an entire 8-hour workday, binge-watch an entire cinematic universe, or code in a virtual multi-display environment without feeling a single gram of fatigue. The physical footprint is shrinking, the profile is dramatically slimmer, and the aesthetic is leaning even further into that sleek, minimalist future that only Apple can deliver. But the physical transformation is just the tip of the iceberg. The real magic. The reason industry insiders are calling the Apple Vision Pro 2 2026 a watershed moment for consumer electronics lies in the processing power and the display technology hidden behind that laminated glass. Let's talk about the engine under the hood. The original device relied on the M2 chip paired with the R1 coprocessor, a powerhouse combo that handled spatial data seamlessly. But for the second generation, Apple is pulling no punches. We are looking at the introduction of the M5 series chip, specifically optimized for spatial computing, combined with an upgraded R2 coprocessor. What does that mean for you in practical terms? It means zero latency, absolute zero motion blur, and the ability to run hundreds of high-fidelity applications simultaneously without even a micro stutter. The processing power is so dense that the headset can render complex 3D engineering models, high-end gaming environments, and hyper-realistic digital avatars in real time, mapping physics onto your living room with terrifying precision. Imagine walking into your kitchen, placing a virtual, life-sized physics simulation on your counter, walking away to another room, coming back an hour later, and finding it exactly where you left it, rendered perfectly down to the molecular shadow. That level of persistent spatial mapping requires an insane amount of computational heavy lifting, and the M5 architecture handles it effortlessly. Now, let's talk about the visual experience, because this is where the Apple Vision Pro 2 2026 completely obliterates the competition. The first generation already boasted 23 million pixels across two micro-OLED panels, which was objectively stunning. But Apple's display partners have spent the last 2 years perfecting a new manufacturing process that increases pixel density by nearly 40% while drastically improving peak brightness. We are talking about displays that can hit thousands of nits of brightness, allowing for true-to-life HDR content that makes virtual sunlight feel like the real thing hitting your retinas. The screen door effect, which is still faintly visible on other VR headsets, is completely and totally non-existent here. You could read microscopic text on a virtual spreadsheet from 10 feet away, and it would be crisper and sharper than looking at a physical piece of paper. Furthermore, the field of view has been significantly expanded. One of the common complaints about early spatial computers was the feeling of looking through binoculars or scuba diving goggles. The Apple Vision Pro 2 2026 pushes the boundaries of peripheral vision, wrapping the digital canvas so far around your natural sight line that your brain stops registering where the real world ends and the virtual world begins. It is an immersive leap so profound that it has to be experienced to be truly understood. As we journey further into the architecture of the Apple Vision Pro 2 2026, we have to address the elephant in the room: the camera pass-through and the sensors. Spatial computing relies entirely on how well the device can perceive the physical world and translate it to your eyes. The new array of outward-facing cameras features double the megapixel count and introduces advanced depth-sensing LiDAR arrays that update at a much higher frequency. This completely eliminates the slight ghosting or low-light noise that some users experienced in dimly lit rooms on the original model. When you look at your hands, when you look at another person in the room, or when you interact with your physical surroundings, the transition is instantaneous and flawless. The latency is reduced to sub-millisecond territory, meaning your brain doesn't experience the subtle disconnect that causes motion sickness or disorientation. You can catch a physical ball while wearing the headset, pour a cup of coffee without misjudging the distance, or type on your physical MacBook keyboard while surrounded by a dozen floating web browsers, all with the exact same spatial awareness you would have if your eyes were completely uncovered. It bridges the gap between physical reality and digital enhancement so flawlessly that it feels less like a piece of hardware and more like an organic extension of your own senses. Let's shift our focus to one of the most exciting and highly anticipated upgrades: the battery and power management system. The original Vision Pro required an external battery tethered by a proprietary cable or a direct connection to a wall adapter, which somewhat limited its portability and freedom of movement. For the Apple Vision Pro 2 2026, the supply chain leaks indicate a dual-path approach. First, the standard external battery pack has been massively upgraded, utilizing high-density solid-state battery technology that delivers double the runtime, pushing past 4 to 5 hours of heavy continuous use, while remaining incredibly lightweight and pocketable. But that's not the most exciting part. Rumors suggest Apple has also engineered an optional premium head strap that integrates flexible, micro-thin battery cells directly into the band itself, distributing the weight perfectly against the back of your head while providing supplementary power. This modular approach means you can choose between a purely lightweight, unencumbered experience for short tasks or a powerhouse configuration that lets you work or consume media for half a day without ever needing to plug into an outlet. The magnetic connector has also been redesigned for a more secure, low-profile lock, ensuring that if your cable gets caught on a chair or a desk, it detaches smoothly without sending your expensive spatial computer crashing to the floor. But hardware specifications, no matter how impressive, are only as good as the operating system driving them, and 2026 marks a massive turning point for visionOS. The Apple Vision Pro 2 2026 will launch alongside a completely revamped visionOS 4, bringing features that developers have been begging for since day one. One of the standout software features is advanced collaborative spatial workspaces. Imagine sitting at a conference table with 3 of your colleagues, all of you. Wearing the headset, you can pull up a 3D architectural blueprint right in the center of the room, and all of you can manipulate it, draw on it, and alter it in real time, with the system tracking your hands and eyes with millimeter precision. The Persona feature, which creates a digital twin of your face for FaceTime calls, is also receiving a massive AI-driven overhaul. Instead of relying on real-time sensor generation alone, The on-device neural engine, powered by the M5 chip, utilizes machine learning to capture micro-expressions, subtle eye movements, and natural skin textures, making your digital avatar look indistinguishable from a live video feed. It completely revolutionizes remote work, making geographical boundaries feel absolutely irrelevant. You aren't just looking at a flat grid of faces on a screen. You're sitting across from a photorealistic representation of your coworker, sharing the same virtual environment, passing documents, and collaborating as if you were in the same physical office.